Find and replace features. Find. In a document, you may want to search for a specific character, word, or a phrase. Instead of going through the complete document, you can use the Find feature. The Find feature can be used to search for all the occurrences of a given word or phrase. The steps to find a text in the document are: first, on the Home tab in the Editing group, click on the Find button. The navigation pane appears to the left of the document. Second, type the text that you want to search in the Search document box. Third, as you type, the same text will be highlighted in the document. Fourth, now scroll the document to see all the results. Replace. The Replace feature can be used to replace an existing text with a new text. The steps to replace a text are: first, on the Home tab in the Editing group, click on the Replace button. The Find and Replace dialog box appears. Second, in the Find What box, type the text that you want to search for and replace. Third, in the Replace With box, type the replacement text. Fourth, click on Find Next and then do one of the following. To replace the highlighted text, click on Replace. To replace all instances of that text in your document, click on Replace All. To skip this instance of the text and proceed to the next instance, click on Find Next.